Hi, I'm Karteek Upadhyayula, and I'm an innovative computer programmer with 14 years of experience managing all aspects of development process for small to bigger companies. Since last 1.5 years, I was associated with HighIQ Robotics as a senior director, product engineering, and my responsibilities are manage software development projects by setting requirements, goals, and timelines. And I do provide execution oversight for important research, development, test, and evaluation efforts. And I do supervise front-end and back-end development teams and their projects. And I do lead and direct the architectures. And I also manage our infrastructure and ensure all our internal systems operate securely and effectively. As a director, I also have a management responsibilities. I run design reviews, workshops, and one-on-ones. I also mentor and level up our developers. So overall, I'm accountable for our end-to-end product experience as well as the product management and design teams. Well, my biggest passion is learning about software and technology. And I'm passionate about creating truly beautiful, efficient software products to make people's experience with a technology memorable. And I'm also a lifelong learner, always seeking out the latest software and technologies and techniques to build software products. Having the opportunity in leading products from ideation through launch excites me more. Launching Oscar on AWS Marketplace was one of my most memorable moments working in HighIQ. Oscar was one of the most challenging products that I have worked on in HighIQ. I don't say it's a challenging. The beauty of this product, Oscar, which we call digital accounts payable IQ worker, uh, can conduct the entire accounts payable end-to-end process from receipt of invoice, scanning of invoice, and a three-way matching through to entry into the ERP. It is not just an extraction of a form fills from invoices. It has seven business process steps where right from reading out an email and detaching the attachments from that email, read the document, validate the information, log into ERP, create an invoice, and then send out the alert notifications. So along with this, we did create a few plugins where our digital worker can work with. It can work with Oracle Atwell, Oracle Cloud, SAP, and Lawson. And when it comes to benefits, I can process on an average 600 invoices per 24 hours.